Number 3, their business runs without them. Please, please, I'm gonna try not to get on a rant about this, all right? It drives me crazy when I see people saying that they post on social media, I'm taking a break from social media. I'm going on a social media hiatus. Okay, that's cool. I do think you don't need to be on your phone 24/7. I agree with that. I am with that, okay? However, your business still needs to run. You need to set your business up to still run without you. You could be sleeping on vacation, whatever you're doing, and you should be doing those things. All right, but you need to set yourself up for success. One of the ways that you do that is you can actually schedule your social media in advance. You can schedule emails in advance. Did you guys know you guys can schedule emails? Okay, you guys can schedule all kinds of things in advance. So there's no reason why you're gone so your business just falls apart. No, okay? That is not how it works. That is not how Fortune 50 companies work, and that is not how I want you guys to work.